looks like a white bag, but it's definitely more exciting than just a white bag. Let's put it here for now. This is so exciting for me. Okay, hi guys, what's up? Welcome to another vlog. This deserved its own video. It's gonna do a TikTok, you know, like I do, but I think I've hyped it up. Like I need to do it needs its own video. If you guys follow me on TikTok, and from the title you can tell what this video is. Today was the day, well actually not today, like 2 days ago. I haven't opened it and it's been torture. I'm like, I just need to do it. Also I'm a little sick, so don't mind that. Today's the day. It's Birkin day, guys. Ah, that's crazy. Where do I begin? I'm not gonna make the, I don't wanna drag this out too much, but here, let's take it out of the box so it's like a little more exciting and you guys are like not as confused. So they give you the white bag just for like safety reasons when you're walking out of the store or the mall. But like when you spot the white bag in the store, you automatically know. If you see someone with the white bag, you're like, oh, they got a bag today. Anyway, this is the box. This has been a long time coming. This has been like a dream for 2 years or more. I just recently turned 30 years old. It was always my dream to have a Birkin before I turned 30, and I turned 30 2 months ago. My fiance Sam was like really trying to make this happen then, but you know, these things take time, so we waited and it finally happened. I feel like I've been shopping with Hermes for just over 2 years. I've gotten a Kelly and a Constance in those 2 years, and today's the first day I have a Birkin. Like, this is my very first ever Birkin, so it's a really big deal for me. I'm so excited and so grateful and so shocked, and I don't even believe it's real because I honestly haven't fully like opened it. This is still wrapped up from the store. I haven't fully opened it and like unbuckled the flaps and everything. Like I looked at it in the store pretty quickly, so this is like Christmas for me, and it's basically Christmas, so it's Vlogmas, even though I'm not doing Vlogmas. But all right, should we just open it? I mean, that's basically the story behind it. I don't even want to open it because it's just so pretty. I just need to like take this in. Like I really, it's like your wedding day. It's like, you don't want it to go by so fast. You gotta take it in, soak it in. Okay. Got the little receipt. The ribbon. This ribbon says 2023 on it. Okay. I already posted on TikTok, but if you guys don't know or haven't seen it, take your guesses what you think it is. You always gotta guess in the Hermes unboxings. But this is so exciting. I never told my sales associate exactly what color I wanted, I don't think ever. I just said Birkin, and he knows. I think I might have said like the small size, like I love small bags, but I never said a color, I don't think. But you know, here and there I've said like I like pastel colors and things like that, but I don't know if you remembered that or that it was just a coincidence. Anyway, oh my God, I just took it out. So here it is. Got the pillow inside. We got the booklet. All right, that's not the fun part. The fun part is this. All right, it smells good already. So yeah, that just gave it away. It's a pastel color, and I don't think I ever even mentioned it, but this is like me in a bag. This is just the cutest, girliest color, and the size too is everything. It's so perfect. So here she is, bitch. What? Oh my God. Oh my freaking God. Look at her. Look at her. Look at her. Look at her. Holy shit. Okay. This is crazy. I haven't had like a second to actually look at it. Wow. It's so crazy. The rose gold is so pretty. I actually was gonna sell like my rose gold jewelry, but now that we have this, like it kind of might keep it. And it just looks, the rose gold does look just so good with this pink color. It kind of complements it. Anyway, this is her. She is a Birkin 25 with rose gold hardware, and it's the color Mauve Sylvestre. It is Swift leather because I think with that combination it only comes in Swift leather. And like I don't usually love Swift leather, but with this combination, this size, this is the time to do it, you know? It looks so good. Okay, shall we open her up? I don't even know if I have it in me to take the stickers off right now. I always take the stickers off, but that's like scary. Take this off. I've never had a Birkin. Like, I don't even know really how to do this. I mean, I've held them and like, you know, seen them, but it's never been mine. I'm like scared to do anything. Ooh, I need to get like a little insert or something for her. I feel like this, it looks so much better when you open it all up. So this is gonna be the reveal. Oh, oh. Ah! It's like Barbie. Oh my God. Wow, wow, wow. So inside, it comes with this to keep it fluffed up. We have the clochette, the little lock and key. Look how cute. I don't think I'm gonna put it on, but you can put it on like that. I'll probably just leave it in the bag. And then there is a pocket here. There's a zipper compartment in here. So that's exciting. I think I really want to get an insert so I don't ruin the inside or anything. But oh my Jesus, this is so fucking cute. Oh my God, oh my God. I'm sorry if I'm annoying, but this is really exciting. She's Barbie, she is the moment, okay? This is crazy. I mean, yeah, that's her. Holy shit. I know it's just a material thing, but like, this is crazy. This is beautiful. This is a dream bag. This is something I will pass on to my future daughter. That's how I think of all my bags. Like, my future daughter is gonna be so happy and so spoiled with these things, and it's just something I can pass down. I don't know, that's exciting to me. If I have a daughter, if not, my son's future wife. Or if I have a gay son, which I'd love that too. Okay, well, that's her. I don't even know. I feel like that's the video. I don't really know what else to say. Do I take the stickers off? Do I do it? I don't want to. I'm not ready for it. I don't think I'm ready for it. Let's go see in the mirror, because I feel like I need to see this clearer. Oh my God. It's literally perfect. Also, with this size, you can't really, actually, I can, but you're not really, some people can put their arm in, some can't. I feel like if I'm like wearing a sweater, it won't fit obviously, but it's more of a handheld bag like this. And I love this size because I feel like with this size, you can really use it as a going out bag more. With like the 30, obviously 35, it's definitely more of a daytime, everyday bag. But I want this to be a special going out fun bag. So, and especially in this fun color. Archie, that is so rude. You wanna go outside? Anyway, that's it, I think. I don't really know what else to say. Do more of a little close up. Anyway, I think that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you guys for watching and hanging out with me while I open this up. I totally forgot I filmed my unboxing of my Kelly bag that I have like 2 years ago, or like a year and a half ago or something. And I never posted it. I don't know why. I was like scared people would hate on it or whatever. Yeah, I'm kind of sad I never posted that. So I definitely wanted to make sure I filmed this one and posted it. And yeah, I'm happy. I don't know what else to say, but I'm excited and I love you guys. And I love my fiance because he got me the best birthday Christmas present ever. I'm just always gonna remember this, like turning 30 years old. Like it's like a little like kind of young girl vibes, but it's like, oh, your youth, your 20s. RIP to the 20s. And this is what's come out of it, I guess. I don't know. Anyway, I love you guys. We love her. What should we name her? We need some names down below. Birkin, maybe something with a B. She's so cute. I will talk to you guys very, very soon. Check out my TikTok if you want to see like the vlog and stuff. Check out Instagram, all that. I love you guys. Hopefully I will vlog very, very soon. I'm trying to vlog more this month because, you know, Vlogmas, but definitely not every day because that's too much for me now. I think I have PTSD from doing it. But yeah, I love you guys so much and I will see you very, very soon in my next video. Bye guys.